Yo, what is going on, everybody? So today I'm going to show you guys how to downgrade from iOS 15 to iOS 14 or any other iOS version below that. And you're going to be able to do this on any iOS device like iPhone 6, iPhone 7, iPhone 8, it doesn't matter, without losing any data. And also this is like the fastest way to do it. It's actually really quick and you're going to be able to downgrade in under like 5 minutes instantly without actually having to use your computer or anything like that. You don't have to use like any USBs, none of that. It's a really simple process. I'm going to show you exactly how to go ahead and downgrade, guys. So let's go ahead and show you all exactly how to remove iOS 15 for free, the quickest way possible. Make sure you guys leave a like and let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so the way we're gonna be able to go ahead and downgrade our device to something below iOS 15 or like iOS 14 or whatever, and downgrade from iOS 15 is we're actually gonna have to go ahead and install this tweaked app called iOS Downgrader. I'm gonna show you guys later in the video how to install it, but first I just wanna show you how it works because it's like by far the easiest way to downgrade. Like most ways to downgrade involve you having to connect your iOS device to your computer or MacBook, and then you have to go ahead and like open up the Apple iTunes app or whatever and downgrade it like that on your computer with the USB. And that could literally take like a lot of time. Sometimes it takes like an hour to do, but this way is instant because it's all done on your phone. Like you don't have to use any other device. And we're gonna be using this iOS Downgrader app. And basically the way it works, guys, is it's gonna say like this software version that you're on. As you guys can see, I'm on iOS 15, right? But you see this button right here that says downgrade? Well, basically like this is where the modded version comes into play. And by the way, I'm on an iPhone 7 device. As you guys can see, this works on any iOS device, like I said earlier in the video. But the way you downgrade is pretty simple. So you tap a downgrade, and as you guys can see, we are now on iOS 14. Now for it to apply, you have to go ahead and restart your device to like fully boot it off. Like you just simply go ahead and turn it off. Now I'm not gonna go ahead and do that right now because I don't wanna make this video like very long, as I wanna show you guys how to download the app so you can go ahead and downgrade. But as you can see, there's like this little option right there, and when you tap on that, it allows you to specifically like choose which iOS version you would like to use. So let's say you don't wanna use iOS 14. Let's say you wanna use like iOS 14.5 or whatever. Well, yeah, when you tap on that, it's gonna tell you like the specific versions of that specific like number or whatever. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, we can go ahead and downgrade even more. So I'm gonna go ahead and tap downgrade again, and now we're at iOS 13. Like I said, you will have to go ahead and restart your device to go ahead and apply the settings. And let's say you don't want that to count or whatever, you can just go ahead and close the app before restarting, and you'll be back on iOS 15, guys. As you can see, I'm back on iOS 15. Like I said though, for it to apply, you have to restart your device, and then your device will be on the iOS 14 or whatever you chose. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly how to download this app on your iOS device though for free. So let's go ahead and show you now how to do that. So the first thing that we have to go ahead and do in order to like install this app is to go ahead and make sure that our device is like compatible with the app install. And this is really easy to go ahead and do. It's like literally takes 30 seconds to set up. So open up the settings app on your iOS device. And what you guys are gonna wanna go ahead and do is scroll down until you find battery. So as you can see, the battery setting is right here. All we have to go ahead and do now is just tap on that. And then you're gonna look for this setting that says low power mode. So as you guys can see, I do see it right there. You're just gonna wanna make sure that you guys have this turned off. So it's very important you have this turned off, guys. Basically, the reason we have to do that is because this is like, if you have it on, it can interfere with the install of the app for some reason. So yeah, just have it off. Now the next thing we have to go to do, guys, is one more thing. You're just gonna wanna come to general. As you can see, I'm in general right now. And in general, you're gonna look for a setting that says background app refresh. So as you guys can see, we do see it right there. And now we're just gonna go ahead and tap on it, and you're just gonna wanna go ahead and make sure you guys have this background app refresh turned on to Wi-Fi and cellular data. So as you can see, I do have it on. Now, once you install the app, like after we're done the tutorial, you can go ahead and revert your settings back to normal if like you change something here and you want it back. Don't worry, it's only like while we're downloading the app, you have to have this on. But anyways, guys, just have that on to Wi-Fi and cellular data and you'll be good to go. So those are gonna be like the two settings that we have to go ahead and change. Now that we've done that, we are now ready to download the iOS Downgrader app and go ahead and downgrade our device to from iOS 15 and get something like iOS 14, iOS 13. So now I'm gonna go to show you guys exactly how to download the app. It is a tweaked app, like I said, which means you cannot get it from the App Store or the Google Play Store. And the only way we can actually go ahead and get this app is from this website called uluhub.com, guys. So basically this website is like a tweaked app store. And with it, we're able to go ahead and download tweaked apps and games for completely free. So head on over to uluhub.com. And once you guys are on the site, what we're gonna wanna go ahead and do now is use the search bar and just simply go ahead and type in iOS. And there it is right there, guys, iOS Downgrader. So that is the app we want to download. So what you guys have to go ahead and do now is just go ahead and tap the app. It's gonna say downgrade to any iOS version, right? So we're gonna go ahead and tap on it. and then it's gonna say like injection required, start. So we're gonna tap the start button, and now we just gotta go ahead and wait about like 10 to 15 seconds or like 5 seconds or so, depending on how fast your internet is, and then this will load up, this like bar right here, and then it will fully load up and take us to the final part of the install of the app. But make sure you guys keep on watching until the end of the video. There is one last step that we have to go and do, guys, that is very important in order to like finish the download. So as you can see, it's gonna say missing files. Additional files are required for iOS Downgrader. So we're gonna go ahead and tap go, and it's gonna say like how to install. Carefully read instructions of each additional file to unpack them. So this is the last step that we have to go ahead and do, guys. Basically, we're gonna see like a bunch of offers on this list. There's usually about like 3 to 4 of them, so it's not that many. But basically, what you have to go ahead and do before you can finish installing the app, you have to do like every offer on this list. So if there's 3 apps, you have to do all 3 of them. If there's 2 or 4, whatever, you have to do all 4. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. It's pretty easy to do this. Like each offer will have some instructions below the name and like right beside where it says get. And you gotta go ahead and read that and understand what you have to go ahead and do for that offer. So for example, this solitaire app is saying download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. So we're gonna go ahead and do this first offer. And then once you do this first one, then we're gonna wanna head back to the page with all the other offers. And after we've done like every single one of them, we will be done, and the full, the full app will be installed, and now we'll be able to go ahead and downgrade our iOS devices. So yeah, guys, that's how easy this is to do. We're gonna go back now and do another offer. So let's go with like, IRL social calendar, right? So you read it and then tap get and do exactly as it says. Now, I'm gonna leave it off at that, as I don't wanna make this video like very long, but that's gonna be it, guys. If you have any questions, do let me know down below. But just make sure you do all the offers, okay? That's because like that's where you're gonna be able to go ahead and make sure you do it correctly. So thanks guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace out.